Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix verification code not received problem on Twitter. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're there, tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage. And now once you're inside, it will take some time to load or get into your apps. Now all you gotta do is scroll down and find Twitter app, right? And once you find it, tap on it and then tap on Offload App. And what this does is it helps you refresh your app. Also, it clears any caches and bugs that is present in the app. And once you do this, you'll be asked to reinstall app once again. Just tap on reinstall app, and once you have done that, now what you need to do is head over to your app store and then type in Twitter. And once you're in, check to see if your Twitter needs an update. And now if your apps need an update, just tap on update, and that will fix the issue. And that's basically it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.